Chapter 2. Before purchase. Where can the swimming pool be installed? Wooden swimming pool can be fitted outside, for example in the garden, in front of the house, but also indoors, for instance in a basement. It is important to select an appropriately secure structure and a room suitable for this type of attractions. Ventilation, lighting, appropriate ground. An unquestionable advantage of our swimming pools is the fact that it is possible to install them on the surface and also partially or completely in ground. The choice is yours according to your preferences and capabilities. Did you like it? Leave your comment in the comments box. See you next time! And remember, life is better by the pool, the wooden pool.